In today's fast-paced world filled with distractions, maintaining focus has become increasingly challenging. Whether it's due to technological interruptions, internal struggles, or environmental factors, many individuals find themselves struggling to concentrate on tasks at hand. This comprehensive guide explores 10 common reasons why people experience difficulty focusing and offers practical strategies to overcome these obstacles. Drawing on insights from psychology, neuroscience, and productivity research, this paper provides actionable tips and techniques to help individuals reclaim their ability to concentrate and achieve their goals. Introduction to the pervasive issue of focus in modern society and the importance of concentration for productivity and well-being. Overview of the 10 reasons why people struggle to focus and the subsequent sections that offer solutions. Digital distractions, the rise of technology. Examination of the impact of technology on attention spans and focus, including the addictive nature of smartphones, social media, and constant connectivity. Discussion of how digital distractions disrupt concentration and strategies for minimizing their influence. Multitasking myth, divided attention. Exploration of the misconception of multitasking and its detrimental effects on productivity and focus. Explanation of how attempting to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously leads to cognitive overload and decreased performance. Introduction of alternative strategies such as task batching and single tasking. Information overload. Filtering the noise. Analysis of the overwhelming amount of information available in the digital age and its impact on cognitive resources. Discussion of information overload's role in hindering focus and decision-making. Introduction of techniques for managing information overload, such as prioritization, time blocking, and information dieting. Stress and anxiety, enemies of concentration. Examination of the relationship between stress, anxiety, and focus, including the physiological effects of chronic stress on the brain. Discussion of how heightened stress levels impair attention and cognitive function. Introduction of stress management techniques, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and progressive muscle relaxation. Lack of sleep, the silent saboteur. Exploration of the detrimental effects of sleep deprivation on cognitive performance and focus. Explanation of how sleep affects memory consolidation, attentional control, and decision-making processes. Introduction of sleep hygiene practices and strategies for improving sleep quality and quantity. Poor physical health, mind-body connection. Analysis of the bidirectional relationship between physical health and cognitive function, including the impact of diet, exercise, and hydration on focus. Discussion of how sedentary lifestyles and poor nutrition contribute to decreased attention spans and mental fog. Introduction of lifestyle changes to support brain health, such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate hydration. Mental fatigue, depleting cognitive resources. Examination of the concept of mental fatigue and decision fatigue and their effects on focus and productivity. Discussion of how cognitive overload and decision-making fatigue impair attentional control and impulse regulation. Introduction of strategies for replenishing mental energy, such as breaks, mindfulness practices, and cognitive offloading. Environmental distractions, designing for focus. Analysis of environmental factors that disrupt concentration, including noise, clutter, and interruptions. Discussion of the importance of optimizing workspaces for focus and productivity. Introduction of environmental modifications and productivity tools to minimize distractions and create an optimal work environment. Lack of purpose and motivation. Finding your why. Exploration of the role of purpose and motivation in sustaining focus and engagement. Discussion of how unclear goals and lack of intrinsic motivation contribute to procrastination and distraction. Introduction of techniques for clarifying goals, cultivating intrinsic motivation, and maintaining focus on meaningful tasks. Conclusion summarizing the 10 reasons why people struggle to focus and the corresponding strategies for regaining concentration. Emphasis on the importance of awareness, intentionality, and practice in improving focus and productivity.